with technology, we can manage livestock from the living room. My name is Synne Foss Budal, and I run the UK operations for No Fence here in Norway. No Fence is a virtual fencing solution for cattle, sheep and goats. Technology in agriculture up until this point has been largely focused on feeding animals inside. Our technology takes the animals back outside so they learn to listen for the fence and then they turn around on audio cues. By using animals as a tool to encourage biodiversity, we can restore ecosystem, and all at a click of a button. As someone who's passionate about climate justice, being able to be part of a project like this means that I get to go to work every morning and feel like I make a difference.